In today's video, I'll show you how you can get a huge discount on Helium10. So let's get started. So first is that you want to use the link in the description, and by doing so, you will be prompted here into the website of Helium10 with the coupons available, and this is where you can get a discount. So you have two offers. Either you can get 20% off your first 6 months or get 10% off every month of your life. Either way would be available for you, so click on claim coupon on the deal that you'd want. For example, this one. Click there, and then from here, you just need to create your account. So in my case, I'll just sign up with Google for an easier process, or you could just provide your details in here. Alright, I am now signed up, and from here, I will now be proceeding into the payment information. And this is where you can see that the coupon code is automatically applied. If not, then you can just copy the coupon code in here and click on apply. After that, you'll now be able to see here in the price that from $99, it has been reduced by 20%, so that's only $79.20. And after that, you want to now provide your payment details, and then after that, click here on complete payment to process the payment, and that's it. You have now used a coupon code for a huge discount here in Helium10. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.